Welcome to another adventure through Croatia. Today, we're taking you to two incredible sites located within Krka National Park, the ancient Burnum Amphitheatre and the breathtaking Manojlovac Waterfall. These spots offer a perfect mix of history and nature, making them an unforgettable destination for any traveler. Hidden in the heart of Krka National Park, the Burnum Amphitheatre is a fascinating Roman ruin that once stood as a place of Roman legions and later local citizens. Built in the 1st century under the rule of Emperor Vespasian, this amphitheater was part of a Roman military camp, strategically placed along the Krka River. Though time has taken its toll, you can still see impressive stone arches and remains of the seating area, giving you a sense of the grandeur of ancient Rome. Imagine gladiators, military ceremonies, and thousands of spectators cheering. This place was once full of life. Just a short drive from Burnum, you'll find Manojlovac Waterfall, the tallest and most powerful waterfall in Krka National Park. With a total height of 59 meters, this cascading beauty is often called one of Croatia's most stunning natural wonders. One of the best ways to experience the waterfall is from the viewpoint, which offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the falls and the lush canyon below. Not far from the waterfall, you'll find the Burnum Principium, the central command building of the Roman military camp. The most striking feature of the Principium is its well-preserved stone arches, which give us a glimpse into the impressive engineering skills of the Romans. Burnum Amphitheatre and Manojlovac Waterfall offer a unique combination of history and nature, making them a perfect destination for those who love exploring ancient ruins and enjoying spectacular landscapes. Plus, they're far less crowded than some of Croatia's more famous spots, so you can truly take in the beauty in peace. So, have you been to Burnum or Manojlovac Waterfall? Let us know in the comments, what do you think of these hidden gems? Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure. Have you been to Krka National Park? Watch a separate video about this magical place. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.